Andy P here from Physics Mad, unless you're one of my students, in which case, just Mr. Pugh. This afternoon, just investigating one of the new pieces of equipment we've brought into our department. It's a thermo-electric cloud chamber. Cloud chambers are used to detect radioactivity. So let's have a little look. So those little tracks you see in that cloud are evidence of the existence of radioactive particles. Most cloud chambers that you will find in schools require dry ice to cool alcohol vapor down to a low enough temperature to show those tracks. It's almost like sort of condensation. Sorry for the gaps. This is just, I just love seeing these things. It's things like this that make me mad about physics. This is particle physics in action. Places like CERN, Large Hadron Collider, use slightly different methods, but essentially they're just looking for tracks of particles and use that to determine structures. Most cloud chambers in schools require dry ice, as I've already said. This one is thermo-electric. It's produced by a company called Lascaux. I'm sure there are other companies. And then here we have what's called a Peltier unit. We have a massive heat sink. Sorry for the lighting, but requires quite dark conditions. We've got a fan here. So by applying an electric current to this unit here, it will act like a heat pump, cooling the surface above, and we can see that cloud-like square is where the Peltier unit sits. At the top, look, just under this ring here is a felt pad which is saturated with an alcohol, in this case propan-2-ol. So within this chamber we have a significant amount of alcohol vapor. On the surface, because it's cold, we get condensation, and then we're seeing tracks, mostly alpha particles, being emitted from a foliated tungsten rod. People sometimes ask me why I'm mad about physics. It's things like this.